This Summer Retexture Mod refreshes NFS Most Wanted 2005 with a brighter visual and a fresh, warm season logo. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, scroll down and go to Files tab and check Manual Download option and check Slow Download option, and it will start downloading. After the download done, check this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and check WinRAR and check open with WinRAR, and you just need to navigate to the game folder, C drive, program files x86, EA games, NFS Most Wanted, and open this tracks folder. Now go back to WinRAR in NFS Most Wanted, this tracks folder, just drag and drop this file inside, check the replace the file in the destination and check continue, and now just launch the game. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed the Summer texture and it looks good, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.